What's happening, guys? Jet Tila here, and I really want you to know how much I love beef Chow Fun Noodles. This is a restaurant quality dish that you can make at home with very few ingredients. We're gonna start by marinating beef. This is flank steak, not the most tender cut of beef, but I'm gonna show you how to make it so. We're gonna start with baking soda. The next powder is going to be cornstarch. Water to dissolve those two, and then the last thing is going to be white pepper. All right, so that's in there. Let's talk about seasoning. This technique is also sometimes called velveting, like velveting beef. I could actually add salt and make that the seasoning, but I want a darker velvet. My favorite go-to soy sauce for this is going to be the Panda brand premium cooking soy sauce by Lee Kum Kee. It really has a nice color, that nice caramely color, but it also has a nice range of flavor. It's not just salt, it's an incredible amount of savoriness, and it's got just a kiss of sugar to make it nice and sweet. Through the magic of television, we have this pre-marinated beef that's been resting. We have these noodles, hot pan, also neutral oil, peanut, canola, grapeseed, something that gets super hot that adds no flavor. While that's heating up, I am going to talk about ingredients. So from Lee Kum Kee, 3 ingredients that you absolutely need to have. Oyster sauce is the soul of Chinese stir fry. Most people think it's soy, and it's not. You need soy, but you really also need oyster sauce. This is a Panda brand oyster flavored sauce. It's thick, it's got sweetness and savoriness to it. Next, this is a dark soy. We've already played with kind of a cooking all-purpose soy sauce. This is a specialist. This is a more concentrated version of soy sauce, and wait till you see how it coats this noodles. This is the secret to this dish, and a little bit of sesame oil, and you're gonna see how Chow Fun is put together. So check it out, friends. The oil is hot, it is smoking. We need to use this to our advantage. Put your proteins down and away so you don't get blasted there. Use that surface area. Really let every side of beef sear really well. I'm already getting a gorgeous kind of brown sear there. Magical are onions in the wok. So I like to put my onions in. They are sliced, but they're still kept on the thicker side. Part of the experience of Chow Fun is definitely onions. Rice noodles are gonna go right in. We're gonna get them to the bottom, the protein to the top, and you're gonna see them go from opaque and slightly rigid to kind of translucent and yielding, and that is a kind of a visual indicator as they are cooking down and getting to where you want them to. All right, sauce time. Panda brand oyster flavored sauce is going in. You need a bottle of this all the time. To get that dark, beautiful caramel color of Chow Fun, you need dark soy sauce. So watch, look how that pours. Look how shiny that is. It really is a beautiful sauce. More seasonings, a little salt and pepper. And I'm gonna give this a toss before the other veggies. Always scrape the bits from the bottom of the pan. We'll give that a toss. The noodles are still slightly opaque, which means I still have a bit of cook time to go. And this is the time we're gonna add our bean sprouts, which still have to be crunchy by the end of this dish. So wok cooking is really kind of, what takes longer to cook goes in last. So by the time the last ingredients cook to perfection, every other ingredient is as well. The last seasoning is going to be sesame oil, just a few drops. And yes, I called it a seasoning, family. Most people use sesame oil as a stir fry oil. It's too aromatic and has too low of a smoke point. It has such flavor that you want to use it now instead of way too early and basically burn it up. All right, I'm in the last 30 seconds here as the noodles are translucent, the meat's cooked through, the veggies are cooked through. It's a delicate dance between soft noodles, the beef not being overcooked, the mung bean sprouts should be still on the crispy side, as well as those scallions. We had oyster flavor sauce, we had dark soy, and a little bit of sesame oil, and look what we've created. I'm gonna just go scallions and keep it super simple. A little bit of pepper doesn't hurt, especially for noodles and rice. That is one phenomenal dish. There it is, folks, beef Chow Fun in a matter of minutes, a restaurant quality dish done in your home. If you like this recipe, check out all our other recipes at lkk.com. I'm Jet Tila, and we'll see you later.